Hello students, welcome to the class, and today we are going to continue with the same chapter, decimals, but with some different topics related to decimals. In our previous lesson we have discussed about the number names and the introduction part of the decimals. Today we are going to discuss about the expanded form of decimal numbers and the decimal form for the expanded form of the numbers. So today we are going to study very first how to write the short form of decimal number into its expanded form, and if the number is given in the expanded form, how you can write it in the decimal form. Now for both the type of questions, what you need is to understand the concept of decimal numbers, place value chart of its values very carefully. So that is why you can see that I have drawn the decimal place value chart for you all. There is no need to draw the chart again and again in your notebook, but yes, try to understand the concept by using the place value chart. So let us start with the first question, and the question says write in the expanded form, and our first part is 868.668. So this is our number given to you, and we have to write this number in its expanded form. As you were earlier doing in the number system also, whenever a number is given to you according to its place value, you expand the number and write it in the elaborated form. Here also you have to write these decimal numbers in the expanded form. So for that, very first, to find out the place value of each of its digit, let me write this number on this place value chart. So writing the number here, very first I will put the sign of decimal. So here is my decimal. Before decimal, at ones place the digit is 8, tens place 6, and 100 place again 8. So we have placed the digit in this place value chart for the left hand side, that means for the integral part. Now let's put the decimal part also. So 6 in the 10th place, again a 6 in the 100th place, and a 8 on the 1000th place. Clear, students? Now as I have written the number here on this decimal place value chart, now you must be seeing that the places of each of the digit is very clear to all of us. Now in the similar manner, let's develop it there in our solution part. So the solution for our first part, 868.668. Very first, what is the place value of 8? 8 is at 100 place. That means 8 multiplied by 100. So that will give us 800. 8 multiplied by 100, so the place value of 8 is 100, so it is 800. The place value of 6 is 10, so 6 multiplied by 10 is 60. Then the place value of next digit is 8, that is ones place, so 8 ones are 8. Clear, students? Plus. Now decimal is there, so no need not to worry, simply put the plus. Now the next digit on the decimal part is 6, and what is its place value? 1 upon 10th part, that means 10th portion. So this again you have to multiply 6 with 1 upon 10, so that will give you 6 upon 10. 6 multiplied by 1 upon 10 is 6 upon 10, plus the next digit 6 at 100th place. So this will again become 6 upon 100 when you multiply 6 with 1 upon 100. Similarly, the last digit is 8, which is at 1000th place. So 8 multiplied by 1 upon 1000 is 8 upon 1000. So this is how you can write any decimal number in its expanded form. Clear, students? Let's take one more example, and our second part is 21.1097. Once again, before doing the expanded form, let me write it in the decimal chart. So the very first part which I will put is the decimal dot. Now before decimal, the digits are 1 and 2. Clear? After decimal, what are the digits? 1097. Clear? 1097. So now as we have written it on the decimal place value chart, it will be easier for us to write it in the expanded form. So let's do it. So the solution for the second part is 2. Digit 2 at tens place. So 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. Plus 1 at the ones place. So 1 ones are 1. Plus 1 at the tenths place, which is 1 upon 10. So it is 1 upon 10. Plus 0 at the hundredth place. So either you write 0 upon 100 or you just leave it. Both the ways it is correct. Either you write it as 0 upon 100, this is also correct, or you may skip this value because we do not count the place value for 0 like this. We do not write it in the expanded form. So proceeding further, the digit 9 is at thousands place. So that the place value for 9 is 9 upon 1000 plus 7 at the 10,000s place. So it will become 7 upon 10,000. So this is how we have done the expanded form or expansion of these two decimal numbers using the place value chart. Clear, students? Now let's move forward to the second part of the question, which is write these numbers in the decimal form. And our first part is 3 tens, 7 ones, 6 hundreds and 8 thousands. Once again, to represent these numbers in the decimal form, I will take help of this decimal chart. So you must be thinking that yes, this chart, understanding the concept of this chart is very useful because we are going to use this chart every now and then for the solution of the questions. So let me represent this expanded form here on this decimal chart paper. Very first, the digit is 3 tenths. 3 is at tens place. So we have a digit at tens place and the digit is 3. So I am writing it up here. 3 at the tens place. Then 7 at ones place. So 7 will come here at the ones place. After that, 6 at the hundredths place. 6 is at hundredths place. So that means decimal is here. After that, we do not have any digit at tens place. It means we have 0 at the tens place. When no digit is there at any place, that means 0 is there. So 0 at the tens place. After that, at hundredths place, we have 6. And at thousands place, we have 8. So you can see very clearly, as you have placed this in the place value chart, you come across the decimal form of the number also. So yes, the decimal form for this number is 37.068. 37.068. Clear, students? This is how you can write the expanded form of the number in the decimal form using the same place value chart for the decimal numbers. Now the second part is, once again, it is given to you 40 plus 1 plus 2 upon 1000. That means 40, 4 into 10. It means 4 is at tens place digit. So I will write 4 here at the tens place. What is the digit at ones place? 1. So this is 1. Then a decimal. And after that, 2 is at thousands place. So we do not have any digit at tens place, means 0. We do not have any digit at hundredth place, means 0. And now we have 2 at the thousands place. So that is 2 upon 1000. Clear, students? So once again, the decimal part, or you can say the decimal form for this number, is again clearly seen here as a solution, and the number is 41.068. 002. So this is the decimal part for the expanded form of the number 40 plus 1 plus 2 upon 1000. Clear? Let's move forward. Now the third part is in 36.25. 3 is in dash place. So what is the place value of 3? As you can see here, 3 is at which place? 1's place, 10's place. So the answer for this is, what is the place value of this? 10's place. So 3 is in 10's place and its place value is, what will be the place value? If 3 is at 10's place, that means 3 multiplied by 10. It means the place value is 30. Clear, students? So this is how you can perform the questions related to expanded form or the short form for the decimal numbers in different ways. I hope this topic and this concept are related to decimals is clear to all of you. Thank you for the lesson, students.